What the deal, everybody? Your Southern Urban Voice here. I am too rich to miss. Listen, if you really want to know what is the easiest and safest way to get into crypto right now, here it is. Now, this is for the individual that your family is straight, you're not worried about the recession, you're not worried about your job, you got emergency fund, everything is great, wonderful. If the world comes to an end and all of the FUD happens that everybody's talking about, it wouldn't affect you at all. Now, but you're not a speculator, you kind of want to see where this whole crypto thing goes, and you might be curious about what is the best and safest and easiest way to kind of get in. Here's what you do. Number one, get a Ledger hardware wallet. Ledger.com, go there, get a Ledger hardware wallet. The Nano S or the Nano X, it matters, but for this particular person, it doesn't matter. Next, there are two assets in crypto that are the safest right now. Just for the safest ones, that's probably going to last for a good test of time right now, until the market really matures in the next 5 to 7 years. Bitcoin and Ethereum, BTC and ETH. Okay, now, next thing. How do you buy these coins? You can buy these coins in a variety of ways. Personally, I like to use exchanges where I can get them off immediately and put them into my ledger, right? So, personally, I still use crypto.com because I can get on and I can buy it and get it off. Kucoin is another good one because once again, you can get on, get off. Any of these other ones that give me problems with getting them on and getting on and getting off, I don't mess with. That's why I kind of stick with crypto.com. Yes, they do have a fee and all of that, but I can get on and get off. Next thing, set an amount that you want to invest and put aside into the crypto market. Whatever that amount is, create your dollar cost average amount, which is what I'm talking about. When you create this dollar cost average amount, dollar cost average as the market is going down. Every time the market goes down, that's when you buy. The market goes down some more, you buy some more. I call it DCA down. Now, a lot of people are now coming out saying DCA is a bad thing, but you're trying to accumulate, and the point is to accumulate at the best possible prices. If you accumulate a little bit as the price, each time the price is going down, and you continue to do this through the downturn, you build up your bag so that when the bull market does come back, because it will, when the bull market does come back and everything starts to come back up, you already have a nice bag accumulated. DCA down so you can accumulate more and spread out and reduce your risk, your downside risk. Hold on to two of the safest assets that are in crypto, and then just wait. Safest way to get into crypto, the best way to make some gains. No, you're not going to 10x, 1,000x and all of that, but you will get a few X's when the bull market returns. But just do keep in mind, with the safer bets, don't get as much return. But if you really want to get out there and be a DGen and get 1,000x and all of that, you're going to have some more risk involved, and some people don't want to get into that. But follow me on the channel, and I will give you all of the tools that you need to at least see what could be the next 1000x coin for you. I am too rich to miss. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.